How to find the Shopify theme of a website. So if you want to quickly learn on how you can figure out a theme of a website or a Shopify theme of a website, first of all, you're going to figure out if the website is actually from Shopify. So there's a website called Sadie's Shop. Okay. The URL is shopsadies.com. So I'm going to go over to this. And obviously this I know is a Shopify website because of the fonts and stuff. And you can usually configure it out. You can usually tell if a website is powered by Shopify or anything like that. So basically, once you power a website from Shopify, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on page source. So once you go there, you're going to come here on your keyboard. You're going to choose Control F. It's going to open up things like that. And you're going to search up Shopify.theme. You're going to write that. And down here, you can see Shopify theme. It says name new frontier storefront. So that's the theme's name. So yeah, then you can also see the theme style, the theme store ID and stuff. But yeah, that is how you can figure out a Shopify store's theme. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.